Hello, guys. Welcome to Web3PM. Today is episode number 31, and we have officially completed 30 episodes of Web3PM at WalletX. And Web3PM, let me just give you a
Context.
why everyone is looking at me. Let me just tell you about what
World
Web3PM
is
is. Web3PM is
Because
a
you
place
are
where we come and talk about our work and talk about all the things which we are doing and which we will be in production. Today is pre-production day as well, because tomorrow will a lot of things will be going live for you guys to check out and do some gasless transaction. Till the time tomorrow comes, let's go and say hi to our team. Hey team, today
hello.
hello.
everyone seems to be present
Hello,
here.
Hello,
hello,
Hi.
Shakti. Hello, boys.
hello.
So
Hi, guys.
how are you guys? After so long, I'm seeing Suraj on the call as well as everyone. It feels really
Everyone.
great.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, today is everyone. Okay, today Bhumik is not present. Bhumik is the only one missing today,
Yeah.
and we are here with all the team members.
All right, we had everything.
So, how are you, Suraj? By the way, you come after a long time. You know,
बढ़िया
how
बढ़िया
do you
यार.
feel?
I'm good. I'm feeling good.
That's that's
Excited.
great. Excited. So, are you excited enough to take over the host for the show?
Not that much.
Not that much excited.
No worries,
I
no
I
worries.
I know
Uh,
how to contain my excitement. It's fine.
okay, I'm learning that. I'm learning. I'm learning till the time. Uh, we can talk a lot of things after the engineering tracker. We have a lot of people, so it will be a long session for the engineering tracker,
Yes.
I believe. So
Right.
let's go on to that. So, Mr. Arjun, here
Yeah.
you go.
Ready?
Please take over.
Yes, Shakti. I'll start with you as usual.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yep, I'm working on the user flow only till now. I'm just making sure that everything is in place and so that you can easily integrate the remaining things which are pending
Extension, right?
on your side.
Yeah.
And yeah, on the extension, user flow extension, the onboarding user flow, that ticket. Yeah, other than that, I'm not working on anything else right now.
So you're
We'll
done with
start
that,
on
or
the user dashboard from tomorrow.
you're done with that, or is there still work
uh,
pending?
uh, there is only one model pending. You can start with all the other things
Hmm.
to be integrated from your side, and all the things that are remaining can be done asynchronously. You don't have to worry about them.
So
So
what
you
is
can
that
just probably
ticket?
start.
Logic for new dashboard? So that's
uh,
a little confusing. I'll do one thing. Yeah. And onboarding flow extension. Cool. You have it there.
onboarding flow extension, yeah,
There's one more
it is
ticket you
there.
need to add, which is the invite code implementation on the front end.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that.
Implement invite code. So this is just add the timelines and priorities P0. Add the timelines,
Sure,
etc.
sure.
Yeah,
We'll do that.
feature. Cool. Yep. I'll move to Sandy. Sandy.
Sandy, your mic is an issue, I believe.
No, we can't. We can't hear you.
uh, we can't hear you. Till the time he fixes it, we can move on to someone else.
I'll
And
move to yes. So Devon.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
So today I updated some Soul NFTs. There is a bit stuff which is gonna cover. So I've done that and currently focus on brand guidelines templates which are going to use in WalletX.
Yeah, that is important.
Uh, I'm working on that.
And I believe it will take some time also, right?
Yes, a bit research, but yeah, it's possible.
To
So yeah,
yes, Vicky.
Yeah, so no real update from me as yesterday I have been like contacting people, spreading the word. That is what I have been up.
Great. Great. Uh,
See, that is such a
broad update. Wait, I'll tell you what we are doing from non-tech
Yeah.
team. We have decided as a team to concentrate more on the business development point of view. Every day we have scheduled calls with our potential partners. In fact, today there are two calls. One more call is going to happen in 1.5 hours, and tomorrow and day after are also calls that are scheduled. We are going to plan this from a pipeline point of view and create as thick a pipeline as possible. The strategy is to reach as many people as possible in as little time, and let them know that we are a project who is going to collaborate. Once they create groups with us and once we start that relationship, then we will start adding tech team and telling them what is it the feedback that our partners are giving us. That is what we've also done today with one id. So we've discussed and collaborated and finalized the deal with them with all the points that we originally discussed, and we've been able to negotiate that with them, and they are going to implement all of those things with us, which means we will not only have exposure to one id's community, but also they are preferred for projects, the DApp projects, which WalletX will be collaborating with as well. So it gives us a unique opportunity to not only tap there, but also their projects itself. A
Hmm.
few minor things that we've got feedback from our potential partners. We Shakti knows about it, and other people also, if they are in the group. Some groups are not, you guys are not there, but we've created a dedicated BD group where we will be sharing all the groups of BDs over there. So any tech team who wants to join in, so we will strongly suggest that you guys join in as many groups as possible to
Yeah.
see what is the feedback that they are getting. But Telegram will be very much hectic, so we've also suggested to create different folders for potential partners, only for from business point of view, not from the tech point of view. So that's more or less from our side here.
Got it. Bhumik is still not here. Okay. Yeah, Suraj.
Okay, so I totally lost track of the board itself. So I will just update what I was doing and we'll just look into that. So pretty much I was updating out the Node.js APIs for the advertiser dashboards. I looked into some PRs related to the user dashboard and the advertiser dashboard and merged those things. On the extension side, I in the early morning itself, I tested out the extension along with Rohit, and there was some major crashes happening on that side. So
Yeah.
we'll need to look into that. So pretty much working on those fixes itself. So it was like some loops. I don't know which loop was going on, but the pop-up was opening up many times. So I was fixing on that itself. So I think that might come under this tap connection part itself. So we'll look into that. Uh, had did some conversation on the Bikenomic channel related to signed messages
Yeah.
and
Yes.
the other chain integration parts. So those are also done on the discussion perspective. And yeah, pretty much that's it. There were some gas checker related updates, so also did that.
But yeah, one more thing.
Hmm.
After connecting, after signing,
Hmm.
when it goes to the main screen, but उसे बंद हो जाना चाहिए extension.
Correct. That is also one bug that we noticed. So I have noted those things down from my side. I can add this on the ticket as well. I think so. Everybody will be updated. So we'll add a comment over here and we'll be working on those
This
things.
this particular ticket is fixed, right? Creating
Fixed.
multiple wallet doesn't change the account on app. Oh, this is
Oh,
the function.
this is done. This is done because what this was specifically like whenever, let's say if we talk about user dashboard and you added a new account itself, even then as well the WalletX was connecting with the older account, so that one has been fixed. So you can move that to completed or done.
Mhm. I
Uh,
think most of these are fixed. RPC uptime check.
Correct.
You can
So
just clear these things out after the
cool,
call.
cool. I will just check it out and clear the. I think most of the in reviews are already in production, so that's fine. Yeah.
Cool, cool.
Cool.
Coming to my updates, so I also need to update the tracker. But yesterday I fixed couple of bugs from the backend side related to user dashboard. So that is done and pushed. So one of them was related to PHPs. So that bug is done. Apart from that, there was one bug related to claim Elon tokens. That is also done and fixed. Apart from that, today just now I was working on the invite code wala backend part. So that is I completed the APIs. I just need to test one round and then I'll push it. So I created a schema where there will be name of the community, the invite code, and the count. So how many users have put the invite code and got in? So the count keeps a track of all of those users.
Hmm.
So I just need to test and I'll send you the PR in some time, Suraj. For
Cool.
that.
Just one thing on the user dashboard side, did we complete or did we fix out that Twitter claim as well? We did,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, I just
So
forgot.
Rohit, guys, just test one round. Try claiming all the task and everything.
We have everything updated on the test domain, so you guys can access that.
It's on QA.
Yes.
Right,
Yeah,
QA, yes.
I'm trying to open it, but it's not.
You are using the wrong URL.
No,
Wait,
Dash user get WalletX.
I'm not able to log in. Yeah, I'm
log
at
in.
the right URL, but I'm not able
Connect
to
your
log
wallet to enter the world of rewards.
Inter-
I
internal
believe
internal
maybe
judgment going on.
Sandy, you might be using different number of wallets of different versions, like uh, Dev and other ones. That's why it might not be opening. You need to only have one so that it can open.
Yeah, just
We might.
disable the other one. Yeah.
It's
Disable
not
the other ones.
manage
Yeah.
state. It has multiple. But anyway, yeah.
Apart from that, after the invite code thing, I'll just quickly move on to the updated user onboarding in the extension. Yes, also
Yes.
one more thing. Suraj, I'll create one more API which stores the completed status of the user's transaction on the backend. So this will be an API on the Node.js side, and I'll have to integrate that on the extension also, so that we don't have to
Sure.
query mix panel every time.
Got.
That's all.
Yeah, yeah, I got that. I had
So,
some doubts on that, so confirmed that with Shakti, so it's okay.
so three things. One is the invite code implementation. The other is saving the completed status on the backend. Third is user onboarding on the extension. So these three
Correct.
I'm taking care of.
Cool, guys.
Nice. So
Yeah.
from now you'll be working on the user onboarding flow. Yeah. Are you done with the other two, or you are working on
I,
them?
no, I have to still complete the invite wala thing. Just final testing I need to do. That's all. So
Yeah,
after
sure,
that,
sure. Till the time you will be completing it, the user flow will be completed from my side as well. Okay then. Uh,
I think we
here
are
you
done with the, yeah, engineering track.
Yeah, here we go. Thank you, Mr. Arjun, for taking our engineering tracker, and thank you for all those members who are present today and are really making it possible for Arjun to talk all about all of our work. And till the time, there is one viewer I can see. Thank you for joining, and you can enjoy Gasless transaction on WalletX by just scanning the QR code. I believe you might be Abrar or Sandeep, but say hi in the chat so that we can reward you on the user dashboard. Maybe you can just
Hello,
post your
hello.
user address and go and claim your rewards in future on the user dashboard itself. Is someone from our team watching us, or is it someone else? Have to make it.
Is it a scam or
Scam,
legit?
Yeah,
scam, guys,
is
scam.
it
What is
is
it?
it a way for me to just keep me busy for you guys so that I can keep talking to them? But no worries. Till the time we can talk, we all can talk. Yes.
Who left?
nobody.
Nobody, nobody.
We were eight, na?
Nope.
No, we were
No, we were
seven.
seven. We were seven from the start only.
Well,
Two rows, two rows with one guy
That's the
standing
problem.
out.
Some people's OCD will get triggered.
Yeah,
Two more
yeah.
people.
Then I should probably make this overlay. Nah, still it doesn't help. It makes it
Some
more.
people's OCD will trigger, so their OCD is not OCD enough. Because it
OCD.
is aligned properly, I think so.
That is
I
that
think
is
the
the
only
best
person is
joke
Suraj,
I
right,
heard.
who has OCD issues,
No,
right?
No,
No, Arjun,
Shakti.
Arjun.
It's
Who? I have
I have very less.
mine is a bit extreme.
less intensity of OCD.
Uh,
In
yeah,
the in code,
mine as well. It is really less.
I have it in extreme level in code and TypeScript.
हाँ कोड में है तो अच्छी
Yeah.
बात
नहीं नहीं भाई, sometimes it
TypeScript
is not
लगाना.
good. These people will be fighting on what type of quotations we need. One
Oh
single
yeah,
quotation or
I
dual quotations. By these two fight.
वैसे तो या
These
वैसे
two.
तो
I
we've got
I
bigger problems in
I
life
have
at
been
this moment.
fixing the TypeScript error since last 2 hours, and now I'm thinking, let's fuck it. I'm not doing it now. That's
Now
an
you will
extreme
just use
thing.
any. That is
look
not
up
good.
a
That
scheme.
is not good, Suraj. That is not good. I have spent 6 hours on solving a TypeScript error, or so that I shouldn't be using any, and not
You
just
didn't
because you
solve
told
it
us to
alone.
do.
I was sitting on your head. Do that. Do that.
That's another case, right? But I did sat through that. But no worries. So what are we up to, guys? What are the things that users will be seeing tomorrow? Because tomorrow
We have
is FRN. We
apparent.
are already
Yes.
again. The time is passing so fast that we are just barely keeping up with all these things which are happening around us, and
A lot of
it's
things are
really
happening.
yeah.
That Elon token अच्छा चलो ठीक है बाद में बताएंगे but we got nobody anyway so Elon token वो it's in expired section
Yes.
But it shouldn't be.
it's a
You
bug
should be
not a
updated.
feature so sorry it's a feature not a bug
Ah, so not a bug. Okay.
bye
Bye.
Because previously it used to be in the claimable section, but not claimable for second time.
no but I think
Okay.
it was that it is reward the it is expired not claimed
Oh, expired. Okay. Then I think I just need to update the expiry value.
update yeah
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
but yeah, I think I've added a lot of minor changes in the user dashboard ka section over there. Well, but it looks fine. I like it that Medium ka bhi post is over there. Um, I mean, it should be able to handle, let's say, maybe 1,000 users one if they start flowing in. That is what we need to test. बाकी
Yes.
सारी विजुअल अपीयरेंसेस तो ठीक है
Hmm.
पीछे से फट रही है कि नहीं पता चलेगा है ना
Nice.
आगे से तो फट ही रही है.
नहीं आगे से फट तो नहीं रही है यार ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा है आगे से तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आई थिंक ना वी शुड आल्सो हैव WalletX का यूजर डैशबोर्ड का वर्जन आल्सो आई थिंक आई रोट इट समवेयर आल्सो
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, yeah, you did, you did.
कि वहां
By
पे
the way, that guy
Everybody
from
saw you did.
Manta.
You did. Nobody mentioned it.
By the way, I was saying that the guy from Manta.
बोलते रहने दो बाबू भैया
Okay. So I was saying that the guy from Menta, what is his name? Shubham,
हाँ
right? Shubham gave really nice feedback, and we
Not
should really
Shubham.
talk about it.
yeah we should talk about it that's a good point yeah
Yeah.
not it's he's not Shubham he's WalletX ka
Manta guy.
Manta guy, his name is Virat. So thank you, Virat. If you see this in future,
Yeah.
for and you see that we are, we are looking at your points. All of these points are legit, except
Yes.
the except one point which I saw, which was not.
The last point you might be mentioning that user should be able to pre-watch the ads and
Ah,
stack their points. Yeah.
bullseye. एकदम सही पकड़ा. Yeah, users should not be allowed to see ads and
Yeah.
and claim and keep the tab of it for future transactions. Why? Because the benefit that showing advertisement just before the transaction is that the user has we have the user's attention.
Right.
We are 100% sure that the user's attention is with us. So that
Great.
is where the money ball is, and that's what we need to look at. Well, I was also talking to a few of you guys earlier, and I should let other people also know. One day we will watch the documentary called The Social Dilemma together,
Okay.
because I want to discuss with you guys how big the advertisement industry is, which we have an idea about, but we don't know how big it is. And it is so big that people have created documentaries that it is causing issues. We need to make it that big in Web3 as a Web3 advertisement industry. So that will be a very good documentary to see maybe one day. and discuss about those points. All these apps are no longer apps for socializing or anything. These apps are just to
Right.
trigger your neurons in such a way that
Right.
you are addicted. If you see, if you go to Instagram on online and you check out reels of your friends, the URL is no longer of their profile URL. So for example, instagram.com/Rohit/reels ऐसा नहीं है, it is
Hmm.
random URLs. They have just put everything in the mixing machine, and they tell the AI ki what is it that the user can see next, so that he stays another second on the app. It's very interesting what they've done. We need to learn good things from them, and try to get a picture of how big the advertisement industry can be in Web3. So
True.
maybe in future there will be other applications like dApps, and other things will also implement advertisements, on-chain advertisements. So there will be AI agents talking, looking at blockchain networks every minute and seeing which are potential real users and show them ads.
Correct.
Correct.
Right.
So why not?
Right.
So maybe why not make those things ourselves and show it to the world, because nobody else is talking about it. So yeah.
We can probably do all those things, right?
But yeah, coming back to the point, he's
And
got very good points, very minute points. He didn't see the bigger picture, but we don't want him to see the bigger picture. He saw the what is relevant for the user. So user point of view, say
right.
he's added really good things. It lacks navigation. There are some very minute things we didn't think about. So that's good. Yeah, we need such
And so
inputs.
those things will obviously be coming from the people who have actually done it out, and also from the users itself. Because as a user, I don't, many times I don't know how to exactly put key what is missing out of it. But
True.
जैसे when we are right now we are testing out some other features related to how the privacy should look, how the icon
True.
should look. So when I saw that red pop-up of saying security alert and all, so that is something I didn't realize, but that you also said it, that is looking good. Even if that is out of the color scheme, but that is something is required for the user. And we as a user won't realize that, but if we have done it now, so we will know it for later that this is something is required.
That
And
is correct.
mm,
This
Right.
point, actually, we've discussed it earlier also. I don't know if who all was there on the call, but we've discussed the point. Why is it important that other people who are not our team members to look at the app
correct,
and
correct,
tell us? It's
correct,
because we see our own house and we feel that everything is clean,
correct.
but only when the guests come, they are the one who see कि
Hmm.
कोने में तो ये भी पड़ा है, ये भी पड़ा है, ऐसा भी है. They are the one who can observe, because they are the first time viewers. So we need guests like Virat who can come in,
And
check
those
up.
will probably be our potential partners as well.
Yeah,
Probably most of them would be our potential partners, because
yeah,
again that is like a second developer perspective, that what needs to be done, what is missing, what might be there. So
yeah,
that
yeah,
is a good thing. Yeah.
yeah. So we'll take that inputs. I think most of these inputs are very minute, but we will probably forget them, because
Correct, correct.
we've got so many minute them. So let's put that somewhere in the engineering tracker so that somebody
Hmm.
can work on it. See, managing
Yeah.
this is going to be a task in the future now.
Correct. In fact, not just the input from the other guys, whatever inputs we put on our channel and internal discussions as well. Many of them just scroll up
Roll
because
out.
of the messages, right? So we should start putting those as well in some ticket itself, so that we just have a track of it. Let's tag it everybody on that, so that we will just know, and those should be in progress, or however to manage.
Yeah, yeah, we can do that. Yeah.
Right. So thank you for all those people who are helping us to do and give their suggestions and yeah, help us out so that we can make our product more better and more user friendly. Thank you to all of them. We should in future reward them if they are coming from the community, not from the business partner side of things. Then we can probably reward them if they are able to do some, if they are giving us some suggestions for improving our product, right?
Hmm.
Suraj, we cannot hear you.
That is something for the user perspective we can definitely think on that, like some maybe like maybe bug bounties or something like that, but that is a
Yeah.
very futuristic thing, I must say. At this point it's
Okay.
not used or not required,
Yeah,
because
let's try to get first our 10,000 users.
correct,
They
क्योंकि
will give
और
us so many this thing that we
correct
will not require bug bounties. We will actually require developers.
correct the point of bug
Right.
bounty is that they should basically bug bounties we are just segregating all the issues, right? So at
Hmm.
this point, how many users we have, it many of them probably won't be the things that we don't realize or we don't know. As
Hmm.
soon as we have 100, 1,000, 10,000 users, then we will be in a position to segregate those issues as well. Like, okay, this is something we didn't know. This is something we knew already. We are working on it. So at that point, it would be much better to have some rewards on those terms or something like that. Whatever we can name it, be it bug
Right.
bounty, be it improvements, be it suggestions, whatever we can say that. But then that would be
Right.
better.
Yeah, I believe, as Rohit said, ki we need our first 1,000 users, and
Hmm.
I firmly believe that it is really soon, because we are integrating and doing a lot of BD work now, and it will probably happen really soon, and before, even before, like whatever we are expecting that it will happen like down the line 1 or 2 months, but I am thinking it will happen more sooner than that, because we are doing really great job as a team, and thank you all the people, Devon, Rohit, and Vicky, to just do all those things and help us in our BD work. Because us as a developer, we just forget to just keep a track of our own personal messages, let alone the work of our BD work, right?
Yeah,
Hmm,
because
correct,
Thank
it is
you.
correct, totally,
coding is
totally.
a difficult thing to do. Like you've got
Yeah.
VS Code, you've got other things. Something is breaking from here. Rohit is always yelling. Something or the other is always happening. So coding the
Right.
time, and then you go back to Twitter and then try to think, "Ki, what is it that I should write, which would encourage the whole world to dream about gasless
Correct.
technology." I think it's
even if even if we think on that side, we all I to personally pretty much end up getting more technical side. So it's like most of the people are
Yeah.
kya bol raha hai bhai ye?
But
So
yeah,
that
the work
obviously
is also important. You have to tell the world also what you're building.
correct,
Like,
that is
what you're building or what is the
right.
problem that you're solving.
Correct. That is true. But
Right.
uh, but anyway, in these kind of terms, I still feel that talking more on a technical perspective is not something that will give the major push on the user perspective.
Agreed.
When user talk about Facebook, that Facebook server is down, or these are the updates that happen, they are talking about Facebook or WhatsApp at this stage because they have used it for so long. But agar initially, if Facebook have talked about we are revolutionizing social media, we are doing this, that on a technical perspective, then users
Right.
wouldn't have understood it that
Not
Yeah,
way.
technical.
like I said yesterday, we have a great product, but then if put properly, if
Correct.
we put it out
It's
properly,
about
then
relatability, how users are relating to
everyone will
that.
understand that it is a win-win-win situation.
Mm.
Right.
For
Correct, correct, correct.
users, we have to make it like we have to dumb it down basically. We don't have to
Right.
use the jargons.
Jargons, right, right, right.
Like we can avoid as many jargons because attending this BD call with Rohit, I have realized that I learned more about WalletX as a product when
Hmm.
communicating with a client or when communicating with a potential partner or user.
Correct,
Right.
Only
correct.
then, when I spoke about it and I started understanding what it is actually doing, is when I actually understood more about it. So, I think we should create a template in which we can like explain to people, normal
Right.
users,
We are
that
already doing that, Vicky. I guess you are forgetting that you are the one who has already wrote more than 10 articles on our Medium post, so that user can just go out there and
where.
check check that Medium
This is
post.
Junta hai rehta
But thank you so much, Vicky, because you have really made it easy for all those viewers who are not aware of all these things that smart wallet is there to offer to them, and these gasless transactions, how they are working, so that they can just go on to our Medium articles and just learn about them at getwalletx.com. By the way, I feel that you guys have a call at 10, right?
10:45.
Ten
So
thirty.
okay, 10:30 it is. Okay, so it's fine. We can just chill more about our product. So you guys can go there out there and download WalletX and enjoy gasless transactions. And while doing so, you guys can also earn rewards and claim your EXP so that you can in future really soon convert them into wax tokens. Right, guys? So and user dashboard will also be getting a really new look in the upcoming future. Not a really new look, but I would say uh, a gamified version so that you guys can come and really enjoy the process of doing a task and being on the leaderboard and just making your money double. 21 दिन में पैसा डबल बोलते हैं ना make your EXPs double in 21 days. That might
ये
happen
डायलॉग
for
नहीं बोलना हमें.
हाँ, ये
but
dialogue
that
भाग
what
जाते
happens
हैं.
in Bitcoin. That
Oh,
what
see,
happens in
that,
Bitcoin.
but that's still this dialogue नहीं बोलना हमें.
Yeah, ये fine. ये डायलॉग नहीं बोलेंगे. ये डायलॉग को अगर आपको सुनना है तो you can come to Discord only. Over there हम लोग बात कर सकते हैं इन
Then
चीजों
it's
के बारे में.
fine.
क्योंकि over there we are just shirtless and we talk all those things which are coming in our mind and you guys can enjoy all those conversations. Those conversations are epic ones, right?
Shakti
But
Shakti is stealing himself.
hey, man, you shouldn't say this your own self. Bye.
You are saying
But
everyone is shirtless on the call.
I didn't say everyone is shirtless. I say
I am.
we are shirtless. We are shirtless. Like we are. Abhi, I wanted to say
Okay,
naked,
okay.
but that is not appropriate word to say. Like we are खुली किताब. हम खुली किताब हैं. Discord पे आप आके कभी भी
भाई
हमें पढ़ सकते हैं, right?
मिलना था.
कोई नहीं, we will change
जो
the
देख
topic.
रहा है वो हमारे साथ डिस्कॉर्ड पे ऑलरेडी है. जस्ट
I don't know भाई. अगर होगा अच्छा I don't know.
Shakti
अगर
is
होगा तो अच्छी बात है.
Shakti is
Why?
genuinely hoping that we've got one viewer who is watching us for the last 33 minutes on the show where we are doing all bakchodi, and he might not even know what we are going through.
अच्छा, according to
That's what
viewer,
Hope, bhai, hope.
host or case, right? Hope.
I like the
If you guys have watched
Shakti is an paid actor.
what was the name?
He's not he's an unpaid actor, bhai. Paid actor nahi.
Unpaid actor, you would have said.
वही तो.
But have you guys seen that
Struggling actor तो
Shawshank
सुना था,
Redemption?
struggling host सुना है क्या?
भाई
Struggling
don't
actor
make
ही
me laugh.
struggling
Don't
host
make me
बनते
laugh.
हैं.
हाँ भाई.
क्या बात कही, क्या
Oh,
बात
by
कही,
the
क्या
way,
बात कही है.
point
इसी बात
point
पे
पकड़ा है.
Web3PM
इसी
is
बात पे
going to
संदीप
implement
लगता है गायब होने वाला है. Bye,
अच्छा
संदीप.
समझ.
Web3PM is going to implement something very unique for the team, by the way. हाँ? अभी से टीम कॉल्स जो randomly Discord पे होते हैं, maybe they will be live streamed also. Who knows?
Yeah.
We don't know that. Huh?
So everyone
don't
can
know.
see who was shirtless and who was not.
Yeah. So we are going to do those random live stream sessions on YouTube, and because we have millions of viewers, we can
Yes.
we can archive them. अगर कुछ issue हो जाएगा तो, अगर नहीं होएगा तो we can.
All those viewers will prove Rohit wrong that I am doing it for you guys, है ना?
अरे we can have this
I didn't put it right
shirtless
way, but
shirtless वाली conversation as a reel and add it on Twitter.
Yeah.
maybe I'll
we
be
need
the one.
We need a person for Web3PM helping
Correct.
Sandy and Shakti to create those content. I was talking to them Aji. Yeah.
By the way, I was saying, have you guys watched Shawshank
Guys,
Redemption?
I was talking to him that मैंने आपको बताया ना, तो he said कि मेरा एक दोस्त है वो YouTube वीडियो एडिट्स करता है, तो हाँ तो I asked कि कितना लेता है, तो बोलता 30 रुपया.
क्या बात है?
30 रुपये में वो YouTube वीडियो एडिट करके देगा. एक
See, but it's not about money. Huh? But
If it does it good, then it's good.
yeah, it's not about money. So वो 30 रुपए में देगा. So actually what will happen now? My mind is like, is he good enough? So we need to now get on call with him.
Correct.
yeah correct.
So we when we get people like you or Shakti or Devon, right, or anybody in the team, our objective is not to make money or to lure them with money कि अरे 10,000 रुपए दूंगा ऐसे दूंगा. Forget that. You guys will make a lot of money in the future. 2026 के अंदर you guys will probably have crores of rupees in your bank account because you're developers, right? But forget the money, the learning that you're going to get over here,
Yep.
there is nowhere else in the world that you can get it, right? So that is the
Right.
pitch to them. So if he can understand that, he's part of it. If he can't, so then it's okay.
Yeah.
Agree.
But again, I would like to ask: did you guys watch Shawshank Redemption? I
Of
asked you.
course,
I'm asking you for
Shawshank
the
Redemption
fourth
is,
time.
Arey bhai, it is one of the best movies ever created. Like
I feel Arjun hasn't watched. Arjun,
Many
you didn't
times,
watch
many times.
many times. Okay.
Nice.
many times, of course. I think
Bhai, there is one quote, right? The fear can hold you prisoner, but hope can set you free. I've only watched it once, but that line itself has imprinted in my mind
that
that
is true.
if we fear about anything, that
Yeah.
it will just keep us in prison. But if we
That is
just
true.
have an hope,
No,
it
I agree. I
just
agree.
it will be a little bit that will just set us free of all those worries which we
Correct.
have
True,
about it.
true. I agree. I agree. No, I didn't mean to demotivate you. In fact, the naive only change the world. People who are smart enough, they generally don't. They live
Yeah,
happier. But
yeah,
crazy people like us on the call,
That
right?
that hurt.
Trying to
yeah.
think कि हम ऐसा कर देंगे, हाँ? कि भाई ऐसा हो जाएगा. So,
भाई और ऐसा हो भी जाता है, हाँ ऐसा हो भी जाता है जो करते करते हो जाता है,
वही
वो
तो.
पता नहीं कैसे बट हो जाता है वो, है ना? जैसे कि हम लोग
ऐसा
ने गैसलेस
ऐसे
ट्रांजैक्शंस
ऐसे
एनेबल कर दिए फॉर यूजर्स,
Yeah, yeah,
राइट?
करेक्ट,
yeah.
वो होता है ऐसे
एंड
व्हेन यू
सून,
जस्ट से कि होगा होगा तो होता है, इफ यू डोंट से होगा नहीं हो, इफ यू से नहीं होगा तो वो नहीं होगा, तो जस्ट से होगा यार,
राइट।
सब हो जाएगा।
तो इसी बात पे 1000
लेकिन
व्यूअर्स
भैया आप तो उल्टा
नेक्स्ट
बोलते हो।
मंथ
हैं?
में।
सूरज भैया,
ओ भाई
आप ही तो बोल रहे थे उस
अरे
दिन
बाप रे, ये चीज
कि
पॉइंट नहीं करना रहता है अभी, तेरे
जो
में
मैं
इतने
बोलता
बग्स
हूँ वो
पॉइंट
उल्टा
होने
हो
वाले
जाता
ना,
है।
इतने एरर्स पॉइंट होने वाले ना तेरे कोड में, अभी तू रोते रहेगा बस।
नहीं भाई, मैं
मैं
We
दिखाऊंगा।
we
कोड
shouldn't believe in luck.
कोड में बदला नहीं निकालता।
या
Luck is not
राइट,
important.
भाई कहीं भी मत निकालना
Agreed.
प्लीज।
विलन बनाओ सब मुझे, ठीक है? नहीं तो यार मैं तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम में ऐसे ही रहता है, सब कर देंगे भाई, बट यार
सही है भाई।
सॉरी।
तेरे को ईथ इंडिया के हैकाथॉन पे होना चाहिए था, तब तेरे को समझ में आता था भाई सब करने का मतलब रात में क्या होता है। सब करना है मतलब सब करना होता है रात में।
Yeah, no, no, but he is also doing it. यार तेरे साथ एक ही बंदा है जो उधर लगा रहता है, रात भर उसको गाली देता है, सब कुछ करता है, कुछ भी करता है, हमेशा डिस्कॉर्ड पे तेरे साथ रहता ही है.
ऑब्वियसली भाई, वो तो है ही
भाई, वो तो अपना अलग ही बॉन्ड है यार।
दोस्ती बनी रहे.
दलील तो बहुत करता है शक्ति
चलेगा।
संदीप को।
भाई ये ना बहुत आप लोग थोड़ा आधा ही सच है, आप लोग को पता। हाँ, वो भी मेरा दोस्त है, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं उसका दोस्त हूँ।
दैट्स व्हाई
वो भी बहुत जलील करता है। वो तो
बात सही है.
जब आप लोग जब आप लोग आते हो तब तक वो
ऐसा
भाई
छोटू सा ऐसा क्यूट सा बंदा
सैंडी
दिखता है
हाँ,
वो, लेकिन
सैंडी
वो
आराम
है
से
बहुत
बैठा
हरामी
रहता
है
है।
बंदा, वो अंदर से है ना.
सैंडी आराम से बैठा रहता है और सैंडी एकदम से वन लाइनर फेंकता, शक्ति चुप।
हाँ,
तू बोलता
हाँ.
रहे, मैं तेरी एक ही बार में मारूंगा।
भाई
True.
वो बहुत क्रेजी बोलता है यार। सैंडी इज माय ब्रदर भाई। We had a really nice call. Thank you for everyone for joining. I
Cool,
hope
guys.
you guys show up every day so that we can entertain all of our viewers who are present and who will be watching this stream, so that they do not get demotivated because we are not paying attention to them, because it's about the experience that they get whenever they watch our video. They might watch this video for the first time, you know, who knows, they will just randomly scroll and just click on this video, and we are here to say them thank you so much for joining our stream and joining watching this video. And do share, like, subscribe, and yeah, enjoy.
Join our Discord.
Maybe just comment your address so that we can reward you in future, right?
Yeah, one more thing. Arjun,
Why are you looking at me like that, Rohit?
Do
Why
you
are you
have
looking at
any
me
work
like
for
that?
me, guys?
How did you know हम ऊपर थोड़ी देख रहे हैं?
हाँ, कुछ है क्या मतलब फ्रंट एंड या कुछ वेयर आई कैन
ये
वर्क?
कैसे क्या मांग रहा है?
maybe we can
है नहीं ना
ये
अभी,
क्या
मैं
उसका
देख रहा
maybe
इतना
we can
बड़ा
talk
मस्त
about it
उसका
in
एंडिंग था, उसका इतना मस्त एंडिंग था, एंड देन यू आर लाइक वन मोर थिंग गाइस।
भाई।
अरे भाई
कुछ है क्या मेरे?
भाई इसके
शो
बाद
को
ये
क्लोज
मैसेज कर
करना
दो
चाह
भाई।
रहा है वो, भाई शो को क्लोज करना चाह रहा है, घर जाना है उसे, हाँ खाना रखा है साइड में, खाना है, कुछ करना है, एंजॉय करना है। हाँ, और तू एक और वन
नहीं भाई,
मोर थिंग
कोड
गाइस,
करना
डू
है
यू
भाई,
गाइस हैव एनी मोर?
कोड करना है। कोई
ले
बात नहीं
तेरी
मुझे
संदीप,
समझ
we'll learn
नहीं रहा ना
about
मैं
all
क्या
these
I'll
things
tell you,
till the
I'll
time
tell
you
you
guys
क्या है
can
क्या
enjoy
है।
gasless
Yeah,
transactions.
yeah,
Say
enjoy।
bye to the camera. Bye guys. Sandeep,
Okay,
roll
bye
that banner
bye।
so that
See you।
we
Bye
can follow us
guys।
till the time.
सैंडी लगा
Say
दो।
bye, bye guys.
बाय बाय।
बाय।
बाय बोलने के बाद जाना भी होता है क्या?